tonight. It's getting dark outside. Baby, come meet up with me.
What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. As you can see, we've got a huge mess. If you guys have been following my YouTube channel or my Instagram for the last few years, you've known that my wife and I have moved quite a bit. We've been married 7 years, and we moved from New Orleans to Houston, back to New Orleans to Idaho, to New Orleans to Utah, to Washington, New Orleans to Boise, to New Orleans to Houston, Boise to Houston, and back to Boise, all in the span of 7 years. So we are actually moving again, but this time it's not to Boise, Houston, or New Orleans, or anywhere in America. We're actually moving to a new country. So we finally got our passports. We came to Boise in October, and we were planning on moving about a year ago. So we've been planning on moving for quite a while. We ended up moving to Houston. Worked at Alphalete for a little while, and that was a great experience. Then we ended up coming back to Boise. We've been living here. This is my parents' basement. We moved back here with the intention of saving up some money, focusing on building up my business, and then eventually moving out of the country. So if you guys have any guesses of where we're going, I'll give you a hint. It's a small country, very small country, and you might not have heard of it before. So take a wild guess, leave the guesses down below in the comments. Over the next few weeks, we'll be revealing everything. We've only got about 2.5 weeks till we go. I'm going to be sharing with you guys where we're going, why we're going, what are some of the benefits of going, what are some of the downsides of going. I'm still doing my cut. I'm on about day 50 or so I'm still going to be doing that, just adding in a little bit of a twist because things are getting a little bit more stressful. We got a lot of stuff to get ready, especially with COVID. It's a lot harder to leave the country. It's a lot harder to get into a different country. There's a lot of different rules, regulations, and requirements that we've got to meet. So things are kind of hectic here, as you can see. Like we've got, bags packed. I'm still working on my cut. Went to the gym pretty late last night and got a quick workout in. I've actually got to go over to the office right now and get a chest and shoulders workout uploaded from the other day. It's taken me a few more days than I anticipated to upload it, but we're actually going to go over there right now. I'm just going to get ready and we'll head over to the office. So I'm going to kind of take you through everything that we do. That way you guys can see kind of like what life's like right now. This is my office right here, Walmart. You can see him in the car. But the video is not uploading. Oh, there goes 1%. So this is where I've uploaded all my YouTube videos since I've gotten back to Boise. Just because my parents' Wi-Fi is, I don't know what it is, but it's kind of slow. The upload speed's not very fast. The first time that I uploaded a video there, it actually took 36 hours to upload. Then I come to Walmart, and typically it uploads in like 5 to 10 minutes. Today's a little bit slower. It's taking me like 5 minutes to get to 1%. So I might move around the corner and just see if like the connectivity is a little bit better over there. But yeah, this is my office, Walmart parking lot. It works great. So Walmart's Wi-Fi ended up not working. I'm gonna test it out here at the house. Just get some breakfast ready for Matthew and then go over to the gym and do my cardio for the day.
What's up, guys? I have a sword.
Oh yeah, you got a Leonardo sword, huh?
And another package is coming on the way. It's a surprise. And it's something cool. It's a Pokemon.
Pokemon? Don't tell them which one.
I'm not going to tell you.
Alright guys, I just got my hair cut with my boy Mike, the Vivid Barber. I'm going to put a link down to his Instagram and everything. If you guys are in Boise and need a barber, Mike, he's the best here. So check him out. Mike's actually one of the first people that I've told where we're going, so I'm gonna put his reaction right here. So bro, on March 4th, we're actually moving to Georgia. Where? Georgia. Yeah.
When?
March 4th. Oh, like 2 weeks.
Oh shit, doing big things.
Yeah. We got these bags at Walmart, guys. They're pretty cool. It's like a Ziploc bag, basically. I put like 12 to 15 shirts in there, huh, babe? Yeah. Quite a bit. So you just zip it up.
And your jackets. And
oh yeah, and jackets, sweaters. Zip it up. Now how you do it, bud? You gonna do it?
Thank you.
All right, ready?
But it has Is that all it can go?
Yeah, I think. Let's go. Here we go. The bag just fits in the big suitcase, just like that. So we're gonna be packing for a while, guys. We actually just got here to Tin Roof Tacos. We're gonna be meeting up with a bunch of people from my family. So I'll introduce you guys to everybody. My brother's here, my sister. We're gonna get like some breakfast tacos and just kind of relax. My sister's birthday was the other day, and then we're leaving in the next couple weeks, so it's kind of like a goodbye and a birthday party all at the same time. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm careful with my macros though, because I did really well yesterday. So I'm just gonna kind of have maybe a couple tacos. We'll see what they got. I've never actually been here. It's called Tin Roof Tacos. So let's go, guys. It's funny, when we lived in Texas, I never ate breakfast tacos once. I guess I'll try them here. Jalapeno sausage, cheese, and egg. Ground beef taco has like tomatoes, lettuce, cheese, and ground beef, and then this is a
Look
chicken
at
taco.
this, Daddy.
Oh, dang. That's pretty. So I just picked up some of this habanero.
It's
hot
spicy.
sauce, guys.
It's really
Spicy?
spicy. Yeah, I can put a lot. Is it spicy?
Mary and Jane,
A little bit.
Mary and Jane.
I'll just add some more. Or bacon, egg, and cheese taco. Got some of that hot sauce on top. It's pretty good.
All right, let's sing birthday.
I don't know.
You don't want to?
I don't know, dude. Michael's gonna sing.
What
for
is
us.
that?
Oh, this is my camera.
Oh shit!
Oh
my God.
This my sister told you. Anthony. This is a camera.
Happy birthday to you.
Woo! Thanks, guys.
What kind of cake is that, Tony?
Carrot.
Oh, carrot cake? Mm.
It's gluten free,
Really?
Gluten-free vegan.
and
Cool.
dairy free.
Did you make it?
No, the co-op did.
Oh, the co-op
Vegan has
did.
all these allergies,
Oh, okay.
so.
And boom.
What do you think?
4 to 7, 9 to 6.
Out of 10.
Do you want to come with us to Georgia? You want to come with us to Georgia? Just say yes or no. Yes or
I don't. Not the one in the snow. No, doesn't sound fun.
What if I told you it's not that Georgia?
I guess
Another
I'll,
Georgia.
I guess I'll
What?
in the countries are melting.
There's a country called Georgia.
Oh, where's that at? Where's that at?
It's by Turkey,
Is
Armenia,
that like Europe?
Eurasia.
And Japan.
Oh, Eurasia. So it's like more close.
And Japan.
It,
Like
so you know where
in relation to Czechoslovakia, where is that at? 'Cause I actually-
more east.
Okay.
And it's
I got
close
you.
to
Wait, so
Japan.
how would that? I don't even have a passport though.
Alright guys, into the gym. About 8 o'clock. We're doing arms and shoulders tonight. So even though my wife and I are pretty tired, we're still gonna get our workout in. We've only got like 10 days left till we leave, huh? Dang. So we're gonna try and work as hard as we can till then. Get a quick workout in tonight. But I gotta head into the gym now.
Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come. I used to think that people die because they wicked. Nowadays people wanna see you dead because you gifted. Been ready for my tomb since I came up out the womb. So no matter what, I'm coming back and paying you a visit. Saw it coming, I predicted, but y'all wouldn't listen. No, you can't protect your riches if you never burn bridges. Flip pages, went places, made changes, still dangerous. Now I'm back, altercation, hold still. I make it pain is how it feel, baby. When you say you love me, is it real, baby? Full speed, both hands on the wheel, baby. Young Taz coming from the Mobile, baby. You know the drill, baby. Yeah. And when you hear the sound of the drum, we'll be saying, here we come. Yeah, here we come. Hey, here we come. Here we come. Here we come.
news, guys. So we get done with our workout. It's a good workout, but I couldn't find the keys after, and so I've been looking like all over for the keys, and then I was like, oh, I'll go check in the car, and I actually locked the doors with the keys in there. So now we're just waiting, and the worst thing is, since we're moving, I canceled our phone lines, and my mom doesn't. Laura couldn't download WhatsApp on her phone. My mom doesn't have like iPhones. We couldn't FaceTime her, and then so we're stuck. So we tried to borrow some tools from somebody. Now we called my wife's little sister. She's gonna call my mom and tell her to come pick us up. So we'll see if we can get into the car eventually. And we're hungry too. But there's a Sonic right here, so maybe we'll go over to Sonic and see if we can get some food.